rituals. Burn the rituals. Burn the rituals.
Please don't burn me. I'll give each of you 5 billion naira.
Release the rituals. Release the rituals. Release the rituals.
The type of video you just watched right now is trending, and a lot of people have been asking me questions on how they can create that kind of realistic video which they can be posting on their social media account and be making money from it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a realistic video just like the one you just watched moments ago. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you the method and the prompt you need to create that kind of realistic video. So don't skip any part. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because if you decided to skip a part, the part you skip may be the most important part you need to watch and get everything done right. So don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. And the best reason why you need to subscribe is that in this channel we'll teach you how you can use AI to create images, how you can use AI to edit photos, how you can use AI to edit videos, how you can make videos with AI. In fact, how you can use AI. That is what we teach in this channel. So that is the reason why you need to subscribe, because when we drop videos on how you can be using AI, when you subscribe, you'll be watching those videos. So make sure you subscribe. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you the method I use to create that kind of realistic video that is trending right now. The prompt I use, I'll be giving everything in details. Now let's get started. So to create this kind of video that is trending right now, that you guys will be seeing, kill the witch, or you want to create something like what you just watched moment ago, all you have to do is to head over to your ChatGPT. When you head over to your ChatGPT, you come to ChatGPT, then you write out what you want from ChatGPT, the prompt you want. Now, as you can see, the way I generate my prompt here, I said to ChatGPT, I want you to write me a video scene I can use on Google VEO to create a video where rich Nigerian man was tied in a tree, surrounded by over 300 people, both male and female. So all the people that surrounded the rich man should be shouting, "Burn the ritual today," together in one voice 3 times. The rich man should said, "Please don't burn. I will give you 5 billion each." And the old people should surrounding him should shout together and say, "Release the ritualist 3 times. I want you to act as a professional prompter. Give me a prompt I can use on Google VEO and get the video." So you guys see what I gave to ChatGPT that I want from ChatGPT. I want him to generate the prompt for me. And here is what ChatGPT give to me. It says here is a professional grade VEO prompt you can use to generate your dramatic cinematic scene written by, as you can see, it generates everything. So this is the prompt: a wealthy Nigerian man in his 40s dressed in a white designer. So as you guys can see, this is in the forest. You guys can see this is the prompt ChatGPT gave to me, because if I want to be reading this prompt now, it will be so long. So let's just, but if you need the prompt, I will give you the prompt so you can edit it and do yours. So as you can see here, after I talk to ChatGPT, I say again, I say, do you think VEO can generate this as once? Because VEO only generates 8-second videos. And ChatGPT said, "Great question, and you are absolutely right to consider VEO 3-second limit. No, VEO will not be able to generate this entire scene in one single generation due to time limitation. Scene." So as you guys can see, break the scene. So you have to break it again, break it down. ChatGPT break the scene down. So that is why we have scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. So this is the scene: a wealthy Nigerian man in a white agbada with tight. So you guys can see everything. So you write the scene for me. After I write the scene, I say okay. So I have to copy the scene and save it somewhere. So I have copied the scene and I'll save it somewhere. And after saving the scene somewhere, let me show you guys where I've saved the scene on my notepad. I have to save the scene on my notepad so that I can remove some things from the scene, because you know ChatGPT will write everything together, so you have to edit it by yourself. This is the prompt. So you guys can see this is the prompt. So if you need the prompt, I will leave it down on my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. When you click on it, you go to my Telegram channel, you are going to see this prompt there. So you can copy it and edit it or change some things, or you can use it direct and generate the video using the method I'm showing you right now. So as you can see, this is the scene. This is the first scene here with the prompt. So a rich man in a white designing. So this is the second one, the third one. So all I just have to do is just to be copying the scene and give it to Google VEO to generate the video for me. Now let me take you guys to my Google VEO website. I'm using to generate the video and show you guys how it works. Now when you come to this website, it will bring you to an interface like this. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on new project. And when you click on new project, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Then the next thing, you click on this text to video. Make sure it's on text to video, and you also click here and make sure this model is on VEO fast test video. As you can see, you put it there, and the next thing, you go back to your notepad where you save the prompt. You copy the first prompt here. When you copy the first prompt, you copy it, then you come back here and you paste everything here. You paste it, and after you paste it, you click on this arrow you are seeing here. When you click on the arrow, it's going to start generating your video. So that is the method I use to generate the video. And after you generate the video, you save it, you come back again, you copy the second scene, you do the same thing. You copy the third scene, you do the same thing. Now let me show you guys after I copy it one by one and do it. Let me take you guys to my where I was doing the video when it generated the video for me. These are some of the video I generated using this website, as you can see. So these are the video here, the way I instructed him to generate the video. As you guys can see, this is the video here. So you guys can see the man was putting white, just the way you see the video at the beginning. This is how it looks like. So after you do it and you save it, the next thing, you go to CapCut. You can use any editing app to join the video together. But I love using CapCut very well. I like CapCut, so I use CapCut to match the video together and make the editing so that it will look nice and it will look like a single movie, not separate scene again. Now let me take you guys to CapCut and show you guys how I match the video together. Now this is CapCut. As you guys can see, this is CapCut. So I add each scene, every scene. So as you guys can see, this is how it is. As you guys can see, now you can just save it and be using it. You guys can see. So this is how it is. This is how it is. Now you can go and try it out. You need this prompt. The prompt will be on my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. You click on it, you get the prompt. I can also try something like this. You can also generate your prompt following the method I just showed you guys more minutes ago. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video.